The world is becoming more connected. Digitalization is changing our everyday lives. The car is also becoming part of this connected environment. As a pioneer of digital change, Audi is driving forward the technologies of tomorrow and shaping the production of the future. Intelligent technologies are revolutionizing the way an Audi is built. The Smart Factory optimizes production processes and increases efficiency. Augmented reality adds virtual information to the real-world environment. Data goggles simplify assembly tasks. At Audi, engineering data are compared directly with the model. High-performance computers analyze vast amounts of data and identify correlations. In this way, for example, wear and tear on equipment is indicated before any damage occurs. Production segments are planned virtually in every respect and checked using computer simulations to confirm that everything is working properly and ergonomically sound. State-of-the-art 3D printers create new forms based on the ideal model of nature. With an intelligent material mix, lighter, more stable, and more precise tools are built. With the high-end construction made of carbon fiber, employees can perform assembly activities, either seated or standing, without any additional physical stress or strain. Humans and robots work hand-in-hand on the production line. The robot assists employees with difficult operations and relieves them of routine tasks. Autonomous transport systems are revolutionizing logistics on the ground and in the air. In the assembly halls of tomorrow, the conveyor belt will have had its day. Every car will move fully automatically to the next production island. The Smart Factory. Digital and sustainable production for the car of the future.